Lennar Homes is building in Post Falls, Idaho. Let's go take a look at the neighborhood. This neighborhood is in a great location, just around the corner from Highway 41, which will bring you right to the freeway, Highway 90. Coeur Lane is approximately 10 minutes down the road, and to downtown Spokane, it's 25 minutes. Schools, shopping, and restaurants are just around the corner. That's why I'm saying that this is in a great location. Hi, I'm Dale Frazell with New Construction Realtor. If you'd like more information about this fantastic neighborhood, give me a shout. There's approximately 71 home sites in this phase. Now, the square footage will start at 1669 square feet for a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, single story, or rancher. And then it goes all the way up to the 2 stories at 2,786 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths. Some have a bonus room, some have a loft, and some have a little tech space. As we drove through the neighborhood, you might have noticed a majority of 2 stories. That's because they're building more 2 stories than single stories. So if you're in the market for a single story, there will be a limited supply. Also, you might have noticed all the foundations that have been poured, and that's a good thing, and I'll tell you why. Lennar Homes is one of the top 3 builders in the nation, so they have the financial resources to move through this neighborhood quickly. It's good for you as a homeowner because there won't be construction going on for years to come. You'll be able to enjoy the peace and quiet of a newly built out neighborhood. And let me talk about the houses for a minute. Everything is included. You don't have to worry about upgrades or options, such as landscaping, front and rear, full fencing with a gate, AC, just to name a couple. It's all done. Your home will be move-in ready. Note to viewers, I don't work for Lennar or any other builder. I sell their homes. I am a new construction specialist, and I work for buyers like you. This is the Benton. This particular Benton is with a 3-car garage, but you can see they've turned it into their sales office. Square footage on this is 2242, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. It does come in a 2-car garage series and also different front elevations, elevation A and also elevation B, which they call the modern farmhouse. So if you have any questions regarding this Lennar home or any new construction home, feel free to reach out to me. Also, if you're out of the area, no worries, I've got you covered. I do weekly videos on the progress of the home. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I do weekly videos. See you next time.